Alright, let's look at the homework 5.5, problem number 9. Alright, so let's say a store orders 600 units of a product every 2 months. Right, if the product is steadily depleted to zero by the end of each 2 months. The inventory on hand at any time t during the year is shown in the figure right here. Alright. Then A, write an inventory function for the first 2 months. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so for the first 2 months, that means that you're only looking at this guy right here. Maybe I'll just, right, so this guy right here. Alright, so that's just going to be a straight line, and the y-intercept is 600, and the slope is going to be, what's the slope? Slope m is going to be, right, just the rise over run. So run is say 2, and the rise is actually 600 down to 0, so it's actually negative 600, which gives you negative 300. Alright, so therefore equation is y is equal to m, which is negative 300, x, and the plus 600, which is the y-intercept. So mx plus b. Right, so let's type it in. So it's going to be negative 300 x plus 600. Alright, check the answer. Oh, actually, sorry, it was t instead of x, so t. Right, check the answer. So we got that. Alright, the average number of units on hand for first 2 months period is, alright, so we just have to integrate that from 0 to 2, right, negative 300x plus 600, so that's the equation we had. Right, then divide by 2, so I'm going to do that later. So let's find this first. Right, so you have negative 300, antiderivative of x is x squared over 2, plus antiderivative of 600 is 600x, then going from 0 to 2. Right, then you plug in 2 here, so one of the 2 cancel out, so 2 times negative 300 is negative 600, and plus, plug in here, 600 times 2 is 1200, minus, if you plug in 0, it's going to be 0, so you're just going to get 600. Alright, then you just have to divide by the length of the interval, which is 2, so the average value is going to be 600 divided by 2, which is 300. Alright, so 300 units. So we got that. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.